What's up guys, welcome back to Miss Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Kyrie 3 colorful punch colorways. So let's find out where it's different. As you guys can see on the first sample on the marking area here, the line here on the upper material is not connect, it's not on point with the midsole here like the authentic one. I put a line on it so you can easily understand. This one also. Another one, as you guys can see here, this one, the line on the upper material is slightly to the left. It's not on point with the midsole, like the authentic here. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you guys can see on the fake one, slightly the line here on the upper, my pointer slightly to the left, should be like the authentic here. And also on the outsole here, the color is different on the fake one. Look at the color on the outsole. It's dominant blue, I think, dark blue or black. Whereas on the authentic one is a lot of color here. Another one, as you guys can see, is one of the layer on the upper material is slightly to the left. And also this one is slightly to the left, it's not on point with the midsole here. Another sample also, as you guys can see, this one, the layer is slightly to the right. It's not on point with the midsole. Looking from above here, as you guys can see on the two box, on the authentic one is a little bit rounded and straight. On the fake one is a little bit wavy here, it's not straight like the authentic one. And moving to the back of the shoes, on the heel, as you guys can see here, it's a little bit quite similar, but the shape here on the authentic is a little bit rounded between the midsole and the outsole, whereas on the fake one is just straight like this. And also another sample, as you guys can see, there is on the lining here, it's a little bit curved. It's a little bit curvy on the fake one compared to the authentic. The authentic is straight, a little bit rounded. And also the stitches line here is a lot more pointing up on the authentic one compared to the fake one. And also this one is, there is a opening on the fake one between the midsole and the outsole. There is a lot of opening, and also there is a white glue stain. It's looking so dirty. And the last one is the outsole. The outsole color is different on the fake one. The Kyrie logo is orange. On the authentic one is black. And take a closer look here. Also on the fake one is dark blue or navy, dark navy. On the authentic one there are three colors: red, yellow and blue. It's totally different. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question and requests, let me know by leave in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so I can make another video for you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.